If you're over 60, watch this video till the end, because 5 new bank fees just showed up in 2026 and they're targeting your retirement money directly. I'm going to show you what they are and exactly how to get every dollar back. Banks know seniors don't check statements like we used to, and in 2026 they're counting on that. Today we're exposing the 5 dirtiest fees, and I've got the phone script that forces your bank to refund them. Number 1. The paper statement fee. Banks are now charging $3 to $5 every month just to mail you a paper statement. If you're over 60 and not online, they hit you automatically. How to get it back? Call your bank and say these exact words: I'm over 60 and I need paper statements for medical records. Waive this fee under your senior policy. 90% of banks will remove it immediately. The low balance maintenance fee used to be $1,500 minimum. In 2026, they raised it to $2,500 for seniors. Dip below it, that's $12 a month gone. How to get it back? Ask to be switched to a Senior Advantage or Golden checking account. By law, most big banks have to offer one with a $100 minimum. Demand it. The ATM Convenience Fee Rebate Cut. Banks used to refund ATM fees. Now in 2026, they only refund per month. Use a third ATM, that's for dollars gone. How to get it back? Go to your bank's own ATM or ask for the Senior ATM Fee Waiver form. Most credit unions still refund unlimited. The Inactive Account Fee. Don't use an account for 6 months. Banks are now charging $15 every 3 months. They target CDIS and savings accounts seniors forget about. How to get it back? Set a $5 automatic transfer and end out every month. Or call and say close or waive. They'll waive it to keep you. The Overdraft Protection Opt-in Fee. This is the worst one. Banks auto-enrolled seniors into overdraft protection in January 2026, $35 every time. How to get it back? Call today and say opt me out of overdraft protection and refund the last fee. Federal law says they have to if you ask. Listen, banks made $38 billion in fees last year, and $11 billion came from people over 60. Don't let them take yours. Pick up the phone today. Use the scripts I just gave you. If this saved you money, hit like so another senior sees it. And subscribe, because next week I'm exposing the new Medicare billing trick costing people $200 a month. Protect your money. You earned it.